Good morning, 6th class. These days we are doing model test paper number 3. Section A and B of the model test paper we have discussed, and today we are going to discuss the section C, that is your grammar section of the model test paper. So let us see. You know very well that in the grammar section your first question is, there is one error in each line. Underline the error and write the correction in the space provided. So let us see the paragraph which I have selected for you people today. See, the paragraph is there on your screen and I have underlined the mistakes also for you people. And the answers are also there so that you can do them in the notebook. So let us read. Time was a very valuable thing. If we read the life stories of great men, we will find that they always wasted it. They used any minute of to achieve his goals. We should learn a lesson from their lives. So I have made the mistakes underlined and the answers are also written right side. See. These are the answer, less visible but they are written. But I will tell you also. So see the first one. Time was a very valuable. Time was a very valuable thing. So the answer is time is. Time is a very valuable thing. If we read, not reads, if we read the life story of great men, we shall find that. We shall, not will. We shall find that they never wasted it. They never wasted it. They used any minute, not any, it should be every. They used every minute to achieve their goals. We should learn a lesson from their lives. We should learn a lesson from their lives. So the passage we have discussed and the mistakes we have underlined. So you write the correction in the space provided. Now see the next question. The next is sentence rearranging. See the sentence arranging. I have written the numbers on them so that when you will write, you write the correct answer. Because the space was less, therefore I have written the numbers, but you have to write the complete answer, not the numbers. Okay. So let us see. Number 1. All religions teach us the value of cleanliness. So you can do them, you see, and you can do them easily because they are very easy. I have written the numbers on them. So first one is, all the religions teach us the value of cleanliness. The second one, we should enter the religious building with clean bodies. Third one, our body and mind should be clean. Then the fourth one, our schools are the temples of learning. So these are the sentence arranging that I have selected for you people today. Now the next one is your grammar section, the topics that has been there in your grammar and their tenses, synonym, and the third one is prepositions. So today I have taken the examples from the chapters. You see them very well. Now see, the first one is, I have taken the use of since and for you people. So since we use for the point of time and for we use for the period of time. When the point of time is there, means something starts from at a particular time, then we use since, and for how long it is working, then we use for that. So let us see the examples. Number 1. I have not visited her since her last birthday. I have not visited her since her last birthday. You have lived here for 4 years. They have waited since morning. It hasn't rained since July. He has not written to me since we met last. So these are the blanks I have selected for you people. Now the second one is your simple past tense. I have selected for you simple past tense. In simple past tense, you know very well that we use the second form of the verb. We use the second form of the verb, or you can say the past form of the verb. So the verbs are given on the top and you have to choose the right verb, and then you have to write the past form of that in the blank. The first one, he ran fast and won the race. The first one is he ran fast and won the race. Second one, I sent a telegram to my friend yesterday. Third one, she wrote a novel last year. They flew to Jalandhar at 7 a.m. You spent all your money on books. So this is the simple past tense. And the next one is your synonym. I have selected for you today. Synonym C. The words are here and the answer are also here. The words are decreased means diminish, then fate, destiny, whole, entire, poor, low, neutral, impartial, last, final, and huge, enormous. Huge, enormous. So these are the synonyms I have selected for you people. So you have to write the synonym in the blank. The blank has been given to you people. See, the blanks are there. So you have to write the synonym of the word. I think the things are clear to you because we have done in the earlier also. In MTP 1 and 2 also we have done. So you can do them. So this is your section C today. In section C, the first one is your editing, means error finding. The second one is your sentence rearranging. Third, I have taken the tenses, since and for, and synonym. So tomorrow we shall discuss the next. So it's bye for today.